Well, I don't know if I was filming. Hey y'all, it's Bear. It's sport time. That's right, sport time. Look here, I just bought new sets of these for my family this year. I think it's new this year. It's the UCO or UCO, or I don't know how you pronounce it. UCO, UCO, UCO. It's their Switch sporking utensil set. It's got a limited warranty to it. It tells us it's made from an ultra durable nylon with a lifetime warranty. Oh, not a limited warranty. It's a lifetime warranty. There we go. Melt this one in my canteen cup. It's going back. Maybe they'll call that abuse. Alright, so back to the spoon fork switch. It's got a fork, a spoon, a knife, and can be used as a long utensil. It comes with a reusable tether that they attach it to the package. Let's see. They separate to use separately, or they connect to be the long spork. It weighs 1 ounce or 29 grams. It's dishwasher safe, FDA food safe, BPA free, and phthalate free, PHTH. L-A-L-A-T-E, phthalate, something like that. It's the bad one. It doesn't have it. Let's see here. So I got one that I opened because I took it to the Uaris with me last week camping. I took one and I tried it out. Now I tried it out with a mountain house. I just went quick and easy out there at camp and had myself a mountain house meal. So I put this guy in long utensil mode and ate my mountain house. Worked great. I am 1 ounce right on the nose. So, you know, there we go. You know, collapsed up for you. It is like 6 3/4 of an inch. And the wide part of the spoon here is 1 3/8 inches. So when I first took this apart, when I first took it apart at camp, I wanted to take it and put it together like this, but that's not how it works. You see there, it doesn't really, it goes in, but it doesn't lock in. It's made to go this way, and it locks in. You see that? It locks in nice and sturdy, and see, it's not coming out. And it gives you your fork pointing this way and your spoon pointing this way, so they're opposite from one another. You see that? It's getting dark. So that's long mode. That's what I did to eat my mountain house. Worked great, kept my hands clean. I was really happy with it. Now the reason I never bought any of the like my fire sporks with the little knife blade on the edge of my fork, because that's stupid. Why am I going to put a knife in my mouth and eat? That's just asking to get hurt in the middle of the woods for no good reason. So I never bought one of those. But I like this because the knife on this one's on the end of the spoon. And, you know, for me, I guess beneficial for me, this could be a problem if you're left-handed, but I'm right-handed, so the blade is away from my hand when I grab it and hold it. I use my spoon, and then I've got a separate fork, and then I can, you know, I can dig in and eat some steak, and I got a fork, I got a knife, and now I've got a spoon for the mashed potatoes to go with my steak, and maybe we should cook that and try that out. That would be good. So anyways, there's my UCO Sport convertible set. I like it, it's pretty cool, and we'll see you on the trail.